can see you turn on the unit, it turns on normally. Machine says it's heating up. Unit heating up. The main problem with the unit is that it will not make coffee through the grinding unit. It will make coffee through the powder side here. You can see it will rinse out. It's giving the information missing tray. I'll put the tray back in the system. It's cleaning out. You can see it rinses out, throws out the water. That part is working. It's working good. But we will not get any coffee from the bean side. We will get it from the powder side. It will throw out the water to the front. We're going to do a test with the powder side. Rafael, can you bring powder coffee over here, son? We're going to show you that it does make coffee through the powder side. To activate that, we will lift the top up here. It will say to close lid and add powder there. Okay, so you can see it. Close lid and add powder. Now ground coffee was added to the machine. We will tell it to process. Rafael, can you come here a second? It's processing the coffee there. What we want to see is where the switch comes up. It's controlled by the machine there. And then it's processed back down. That does the complete cycle there on the unit. And you can see I process some coffee. We're going to do it again because I want to grab this here up in the front. So we're going to lift the lid up. And you see it made a perfect espresso there. So I was going to add in another teaspoon coffee there. Grind coffee there. We're going to close the lid up again. And what I want you to see here is that switch. How it activates when the drive starts coming. Processing water entering. Compressing the coffee up. As you can see, we got a perfect espresso there. Now, if we tell the machine to do a espresso through the grinding unit, where the grinding unit is going to activate, see the grinding unit there activate, and now let's watch the switch, how it reacts here when you ask for the grinding coffee. See, it like stops there, and then it just shoots it directly into the tray. It will not make any coffee. There's no water here. Should have thrown the water to the front. It should have fell there if it would have made any coffee at all. So that's the main problem that we're having. What can we say? We replaced the brewing unit. We replaced the drive. We replaced the drive. I'm sorry. We replaced the control board that's here on this side, and we replaced the main control board up front that controls all the functions from the unit. You guys at BSH told us that we should control that that we should change the drive. The drive should fix this problem, but we're having that problem there. And as you can see, we thought it would be that switch, but it can't be the switch because we're having coffee grounds from the unit itself. I mean, when you ask for ground coffee here, bringing up the lid and shutting the lid. So that's practically the main problem we're having. We've been having this problem for a while now. The customer is already a bit upset of why the machine will not work, and it's, you know, it does grind the coffee, but we just can't get it to do any type of coffee to drain the crema out the front of the unit. This is a CM, as you can see here, it's a CM200610.MOV. We will wait for any information back.